Hello people and welcome back to Dashcam channel, a channel that features some of the most epic and crazy road encounters ever caught on driver's dashcam. In this episode, you'll watch a lot of police, chase and epic road rage moments on the roads, so make sure to sit tight and enjoy in this one.
Upwards and some dips. Asked whose mind it was from.
Ain't that the way it always is? Jay Leno said that. He said, any actor, no matter who you are, he said, he was talking to somebody about doing stand-up. I think it was Del Davo. He said, keep doing stand-up. I don't care how famous you get as an actor. After about 8 years, you're always the last one. You're always the last guy we call out. You're never going to be first chair the whole time. You got about 8 years of relevance, no matter who you are, and then pretty soon it's just hard to sustain, man. You just can't hit that many home runs.
Yeah.
Still worth what he's worth, man. Johnny Depp lost it though. Forbes magazine came out about 5 years ago and said for every $100 you put into a Johnny Depp movie, if he's not dressed like a pirate, you're getting $1 back. What? Yeah.
Cool police officer noticed that the family was struggling during the flood. There were a lot of people in one vehicle, including their dog, and the cops didn't hesitate at all when it comes to saving them. Check this amazing moment out.
Sir, we gotta go, buddy. That's it. That's it, buddy. Slide over. That's it.
I'm gonna give you a piggyback.
Good work. Right. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Go on.
Whenever you act all tough and almighty in traffic, always remember that there might always be a cop there lurking in the dark and watching you. Never allow yourselves to make something silly and crazy like this driver here. Check out what happened to him. Play stupid games, win stupid prizes, they say, and this driver did exactly that. He thought that he was all that as he cut right in front of the camera for no reason, but luckily a karma cop was there for him. I'm pretty positive that this crazy driver is about to regret his decision now, as soon as he noticed the car pulling him over. All that reckless and careless driving must be definitely going through his head now, and he thinks that he's about to get a hefty ticket. And in my opinion, I think he will. Traffic rules should be applied the same to every driver without exception, but unfortunately, here and there, we have a crazy driver who thinks he's better than the rest. This rude Karen thought that it would be a great idea to cut the whole line of traffic just so she could get in front, because she was late to work. Boy oh boy, she didn't expect a cop to pull her over. This was a brave move, guys. This pickup truck driver thought that he could use the shoulder of the road, and he definitely saw an officer, but he still dared.
Got him! Oh, that guy that took off and was trying to race me, he is now getting pulled over.
And with this clip, we conclude yet another epic and entertaining episode on Core on Dashcam channel. Hopefully you guys managed to enjoy and learn something valuable out of all the mistakes you saw. If you like this type of work, don't hesitate to leave a like, because that will mean a lot to us. While you're at it, subscribe as well and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content. Until the next one, drive safe and stay safe.